cough is a reflex, and if anything goes wrong in the respiratory tract or the windpipe of any human being a child or an adult, the body reacts and it tries to clear whatever has entered our airway, whether it's secretion, it's a foreign body, or anything. It can be infectious agent like viral, like bacteria, and whenever anything triggers the receptor, the body reacts and the child coughs. Having understood this point that cough is a reflex, we should always try not to suppress the cough when it's mild, when it's not disturbing the child, and